I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet.
Just got changed, as you can see. First town is done. I'm gonna take you guys through the whole pull down, the travel, and the put up, just so you guys can see what it's like, what we do, what we have to deal with and whatnot. And yeah. Da. Alright, well, as you can see, everything there is gone. All the boys are legends. Beautiful, beautiful, great work from everyone. And there you have it. I'll probably stop filming there and I'll show you guys in between all the driving and all that shit, and then when we put up, and then you will see that's how we do it here. But hope you guys enjoyed today's little video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for travel. Let's go. Alright, so it's travel day. So it's Monday morning right now. Just finished packing up like the last of little bits and pieces. See, got our stuff there. Got everything in there, all my computer stuff in there. And yeah, no more step now, but as you can see, everything is empty. That's where the 14 used to be, way over there where the main team used to be. And yeah, so yeah, I'm about to jump in one of these trucks soon and then piss off to Ipswich, and Bob's your uncle. I probably won't record anything while I'm driving just because that's dodgy, but I will show you guys when I get to Ipswich and blah blah blah, all that good stuff. But yeah, guys, alright, and we're here, we're at the new lot. Ipswich just got here, so we're about to start fucking, sorry about my language, about to start putting everything down, and all the pegs laying out, setting up, and then Bob's your uncle, we're away. So I'll record some more when I can, but for now, it's go time. Alright, for now we are done because it's super hot. We just finished sewing up the sides of the tent, and yeah, so we just finished sewing up the sides of the tent, so we just gotta wait now until it cools down because everything's way too hot. The tent's too hot to grab, the side pole's too hot. Wait for that to cool down, and then we pull it back up tonight, and then do the seating and all that tomorrow. But for now, we're off to the pools. Fucking trust everyone to go. He's gonna do it. GG's. Like I said, I'm so sorry I didn't get to film while we're putting up the rest of the tent, but pretty much same man. Like, we just finished setting up the Russian swing. We got a show tonight. Just had practice for the tramp, and yeah, didn't really get to do the whole process of the putting up part, but at least you guys seen the putting down part. Oh yeah, that's cool. Didn't even need me. Sweet. But yeah, so my apologies on that, but yeah, everything is ready to go. Everything is set. All the props, everything are being put out, ready to go. And now the only time that's left is showtime tonight. And yeah, man, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. I appreciate you guys. Catch you later.